6:14 on a sunny Sunday afternoon here. Steve Pierce is our meteorologist, and you and I have sort of been looking around at these beautiful pictures from around the state, including some smoke actually from a wildfire in Siberia that's filtered its way into our area, right?
Yeah, Cora, after a beautiful weekend, you know, we saw those smoky sunsets, and that's a result of some smoke coming across the Pacific from those fires. I'll show that in just a second, but take a look behind me right now. Look at that Lincoln City camera shot. Man, Cora, we should be down there this weekend, but you know what? We're here telling all you guys about it right now. It's a beautiful weekend out there on the coast. A beautiful weekend here in the Portland area. Temperature right now in your 6 o'clock hour, 75 degrees, light northwest wind. High temperature 77 today. And look at these highs all across the state, mid and upper 70s in the Willamette Valley. Out on the coast, temperatures in the upper 60s on the northern Oregon coast. And in the central and southern Oregon coast, temperatures closer to 60. A little bit of fog and low clouds there. On the east side of the state, beautiful weather over there. Temperatures mostly in the 60s. Now, speaking of that smoke, if you look real close, again, Russian wildfire smoke making its way thousands of miles across the Pacific Ocean, carried by the jet stream. If you look really close, right through here, you can see that sort of that milky haze moving across Oregon. Just to orient you, there's Portland and Vancouver right about there. Here's the Willamette Valley. So that continues to give us those filtered sunsets tonight. Bet you if you get outside around 8 o'clock at sunset tonight, you'll see another beautiful one. Speaking of which, this evening, your evening planner, about 71 degrees at 7 p.m. under sunny skies. And then after sunset, it's going to cool down slowly. That'll set us up for a really warm day tomorrow. Still by 11 p.m., almost 60 degrees under clear skies. Okay, so what's responsible for all this? Well, we have a big ridge of high pressure over the entire Pacific Northwest, and for that matter, the western half of the United States, pushing all of the action east of the Rocky Mountains. That's going to continue tomorrow, and then it will begin to back off on Tuesday. So here's your coastal forecast on your Monday. Temperatures mostly in the mid and upper 60s. Northern Oregon coast closer to 70 at Astoria. Fog and low clouds will move in early down in Newport. That'll keep your temperature down to around 60. In the Willamette Valley, temperatures close to 80 under sunny and warm conditions. On the east side, same thing there. Carbon copy, sunny and warm. Baker City, 72. Madras, 78. Up in the Columbia River Gorge and the Cascades, another sunny and warm afternoon. Light west winds, 10 to 20 miles per hour. The Dalles, you'll peak out at 82 under a freezing level of 9,500 feet in the Cascades. And Cora, there's that 7-day forecast. Sunny and warm will go for 80 tomorrow under bright sunshine. Tuesday, we increase the clouds just a bit, about 70 degrees for a high temperature. Wednesday, mostly cloudy. We'll back it off into the mid-60s. And there, Cora, just a chance of showers later in the week with temperatures in the lower 60s. More around seasonal norms where we should be for this time of year.
Can't beat the weather this weekend, however.
No, you cannot.
Good day to be out and about. Thanks very much for that, Steve. The Trailblazers tip off the NBA playoffs, I should say, in Memphis.